Hey, Nicole, how you doing? All right, new tickets look good. You're working very hard, and that's awesome. I really appreciate it. You are. You're a hardworking student, and it shows. Your work is really coming along nicely, and I appreciate that. I really do. I really appreciate that. You've been emailing and posting and emailing and posting, and this is awesome. This is how design works. So this is great. All right, so let's look at the new work. A couple of things, a couple of comments. Okay, so your logo. This is it, right? This is it. Well, let's stick with this and only this. One suggestion before we move on. I said this way back, but when I first saw this logo, can we move that drop shadow? It's not working. It's creating separation for that mountain symbol, but the words sit flat on the page. So as this is floating in an area, it doesn't make sense that the mountain is creating separation while there's no separation to be had. Do you see what I'm saying? This would indicate that this is laying over something, while right now you want the logo to kind of have this relationship with infinity. So let's just try removing that drop shadow and keeping this thing on the same depth of plane as the type. I think it'll work out beautifully. Then that's it. We're done with the logo, right? Let's look at the ticket. Structure itself looks good. I think your pictograms are a little too big, and your type and information is too small. Remember, this is an international audience, bilingual, many different I shouldn't say bilingual. I mean many different languages being spoken, many different cultures converging on one central location. So this right here is pertinent information. So I think this should be a little bit, take that in consideration with scale and adjust accordingly. Try to give more hierarchy to this area. I wouldn't separate snow from boarding. I would keep that all together. The pictograms themselves are gorgeous. They might be a little bit large though. Right now it looks like you're trying to feature your pictograms in the ticket as opposed to featuring a ticket with your pictogram on it, if that makes sense. So this is wonderful. I think this is just beautiful. This pictogram is gorgeous. It's got undertones of the logo, and it's the color of ice. It's great. And she is visible because she's so much lighter. The contrast is nice. Gorgeous pictogram. This one is looking awesome too, but I think the color is wrong because, well, mountains aren't purple. So that doesn't make sense. Now, and mountains aren't blue like ice either. Mountains are white, right? So let's just outline this. Just outline the crystals. That's it. And leave the rest white, and then just try to keep him, I don't know, do something with him. Keep him like that kind of transparent black. Try it. I think it'll look great. Okay, so that's where I'm at. I'm sorry I don't have much more, but that's all you gave me to work with. So I'll tell you what, let's get some more stuff submitted based on what I just said. I think that'll help tremendously. And we'll take it from there. All right. Thanks, Nicole.